and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere, yeah.
I'm sure Keen has better options. Why is he sending 2 monkeys on a suicide mission?
Hey, relax. No blood will spill today if you hear me out.
Wait, Clint. Let's see what he has to say.
Whoa. Listen to me, you guys.
Take cover, Matilda! This bastard had his chance.
Don't shoot. I'm here to help.
Claude, we knew you were up to something. What made you think it was a good idea to work with these hillbillies?
Looks like someone is finally off the leash today.
Kill them all! Leave no one alive!
Don't let them get away!
They know only death awaits them in the desert. Tie them up. Clint will return for them.
Laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.